Hey everyone, hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. And today I wanted to come on here and talk about which I haven't seen many people actually talking about it, but recently I attended a master class which was in terms of YouTube automation and how to actually build up a massive audience very fast. And if you actually do this strategy time and time again, you're gonna get massive results on the platform. Okay, so it's awesome that we get to mastermind with people in this day and age because everything is actually on digital. And once you start implementing this all these tricks, all these hacks, all these core fundamentals, that's when we start building up massive audience. Okay, also if you're watching, I don't know where you're watching this from, if you're probably watching this on YouTube, let me know in the comment section where you're actually watching this from, or even if you're actually watching this Facebook live, let me in the comments let me know in the comment section where you're also watching this from. Okay, so the topic I wanted to cover in this video is going to be building up a massive audience using YouTube automation as a business model. Okay, so you probably might be thinking, oh, I haven't heard about this business model. Like, what is it? So, YouTube automation is basically a business model where you have the entire team creating the videos for you. Okay, depends on whatever topic you want to be creating the videos on. Okay, so if you, most of the time we actually see like face creators, people who are actually building up a massive audience using face channels, right? We call it a branded channel, just like Logan Paul, just like Mr. Beast, and there's like a lot of creators on the platform. They're actually showing their face. Okay, but to be able to succeed with this with that method, you gotta be needing a lot of editing skills. You gotta be needing a lot of time to be able to create those videos. Okay, but the good thing about creating a faceless channel is pretty much you're gonna be automating the entire thing, and that way you can be mostly focused on the video title and topic. Okay, because that's the only thing that actually takes majority of my time, is to be coming up with the right title, right topic, so the team can actually create videos on those particular topic. Okay, but this thing that I actually recently learned and I started implementing on my channel, that's when I started getting like a lot of massive breakthrough. Okay, so what is this trick? What is this all these things that I want to share with you? Okay, so this thing is called building up a massive audience using broad topic. Okay, because most of the time when we start creating videos, like for example in a celebrity niche, might be in the motivation niche, might be in like specific education that you actually teaching people how to do certain things, right? And we just pretty much focus on this one small audience. Okay, that way when you start a channel, it's good to go super niche, right, rather than going super broad. Because if you go super broad right off the gate, YouTuber's algorithm will be just confused. Like they're not gonna be knowing like who's your core audience. So in the beginning stage, we have to build up our channel using the core audience in that specific niche. Okay. So as an example, maybe celebrity, some drama happen, right? We're going to be creating videos on that particular celebrity, right? So that way we can actually get a lot of people actually coming on our channel, start watching those videos. Okay, but sooner or later, once your channel hits like probably 9,000, 10,000 subscribers, that's when we start be needing to create topics on broad subjects. Okay, so that way, and make the topic like super broad, so when someone actually sees your title and your thumbnail, even if they're not your actual core audience, they should and they will want to be clicking on that video and watching it. That's when YouTube will start expanding your audience like very massively. that's when we're going to be start getting massive breakthrough. Okay, as an example, I started a motivation channel, and at the moment I'm creating videos on specific motivational speakers, okay, as an example. But once I start building up enough people who are actually interested in that particular topic, I'm going to be start expanding that particular topic. So that way, even if someone is not interested in motivation, if they see the thumbnail and the title, they should want to click on and watch that video, because I've made it super broad, okay, and they should be just interested in that video based on the keywords, but based on the title, and based on how I actually package the actual thumbnail. Okay, if you go and see Mr. B's video, if you actually see his title in his thumbnail, even if you don't like, even if you haven't seen his face, right? And because of how he actually packages the thumbnail and also the title, anyone would be just interested in clicking on that video, because it's just so curiosity based. Okay, so that's what we're going to, that's how we actually blow up our YouTube automation and start to broaden up our audience, because the majority of the people, they're probably like millions of people on YouTube platform. Imagine if everyone watches our video, it doesn't need to be super specific, it can be, it has to be a broad topic, so that way we can get massive views. And this is a huge mistake that people who are starting this specific business model, they're just thinking like, I'm just going to be creating videos on specific niche for this particular audience, right? But they're not actually thinking about how they can actually broaden up this particular topic and title, so mass audience can be watching it, so that way we can get explosive growth on our YouTube automation channel. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this specific strategy? And once I start implementing these methods, right, and now I can just see the bigger picture, and that's when I know that I'm gonna be getting like explosive growth. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what you thought about this. Also, let me know if you have started your online journey and what business model are you actually into. I'll be keen to know, and so that way we can actually touch base. And if you need any tips, any tricks from my side, let me also know how's the actual channel going. Would be interested in knowing about that as well. So again, thank you so much. In the comment section, I'll leave some training for you. You can actually go and check it out, and hope to talk to you very soon. God bless, and bye for now. Ta-ta.